In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with WhatsApp. If you're interested in automating your tasks and integrating WhatsApp with other apps, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive in. To begin, you're going to want to head over to Zapier's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which will lead you to their homepage. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you might need to sign up, but for today's guide, we'll assume you've got your account ready. Once you're through this step, you will land on your dashboard. Now, let's move on to creating a Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services together. On the dashboard, look for the Create button and click on Zaps. This will take you to where the magic happens. Here's your first decision point. You can either manually build this Zap step by step, or you might opt to get some help from artificial intelligence within Zapier to speed things up. For learning purposes, we'll walk through manually creating this. When setting up a Zap, you'll see options labeled Trigger and Action at the top. Click just under these sections and you'll see a list of applications that Zapier can integrate with. Your trigger is where it all starts. What needs to happen to initiate your automation? In the context of integrating WhatsApp, you'll want to select WhatsApp as your trigger app. Choose New WhatsApp Message as your trigger event. This means that whenever a new message is received in WhatsApp, it will prompt your Zap to perform whatever action you set up next. An important point to remember here is to make sure to connect your WhatsApp account. Without this, Zapier can't access your WhatsApp data to trigger the event. For today's example, let's integrate Trello. After setting up your trigger, you'll go ahead and choose Trello as your action app and select Create Card as the action event. This will automate the creation of a new card in Trello every time you receive a WhatsApp message from the specified criteria. Like with WhatsApp, you will also need to connect your Trello account to allow Zapier access. Everything's coming together. To ensure that everything is working smoothly and without errors, don't forget to test your Zap. Testing will make sure that your trigger and actions are functioning as expected. When you're satisfied with the test results, you can go ahead and publish your Zap. And there you have it, a simple automation setup with Zapier and WhatsApp. With this integration, you're well on your way to saving time and streamlining your communication process. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.